Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? Really pumped up today. You're welcome to Financial Trading Culture Series with Mayowa Owolabi. Today is another day, really pumped up. If you missed the CHF analysis that I dropped yesterday, you want to make sure you watch that replay. Yesterday was amazing, and the trade has delivered more, and we're still expecting a lot from it. Okay, if this is your first time coming over to my Owolabi TV, you want to make sure you click on the subscriber button and make sure you click on the notification bell so you would not miss out in any as we. So here we go. In this episode, I want to share with you what I'm expecting in CHFJPY. Now, this trade I spoke about it last month, that we are going into the exhaustion phase. And because we're going into the exhaustion phase, we need to begin to see some certain reaction in the market. Now, this was the previous high that we had here, and the market broke it, and we had this impulse leg. Now, what makes this place an impulse leg? You would notice that the previous move upward was a very rough one. What does that mean? Look at this. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, then we have this drop. Then when this market decided to drop, it cleared so many break of structures. Okay, good. So that makes this place an impulse move. So this becomes a correction. And with that, we are now in the supply zone, and we're expecting the market to drop down. And if you check out what we have for JPY index has actually deepened down, okay? Like down, like when I mean down. So that means that we're expecting a reversal very soon. Now, if you can get this reversal, it will make all the JPYs to pull back. And if all the JPYs pull back, then we can check out to see the sales that we've been expecting. However, right now, we have two basic expectations that we're expecting on CHFJPY. Now, when the market came into this supply zone, which is so glaring, the next thing you want to do is you go to a lower time frame. And right now on daily time frame, we can see that we had a squeeze. Okay, we had a squeeze. The market came low into this demand and went up again, came down, went up, came down, went up, and now it broke this. So this is another squeeze, which is another accumulation phase. So this is an impulse. So this is a correction. Now, I have an issue with this correction. A lot of time, what you want to see for correction is that you want to see the market go like this, drop, then you see another squeeze, then you want to take that squeeze down. However, this impulse went up really huge. It went up straight, which is not an healthy one for us. However, we're still going to be expecting the sell here. Because it's in the exertion phase. So right now, this is the daily rally days drop. And if you go to 8 hours chart, you will see more of the behavior of what I'm talking to you guys about. So we're going to be expecting in between this range that the market will still come up more. Now, when the market comes more into this space, then we will now go to 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes to catch the lower time frame entry here. To catch the lower time frame entry here. And when you want to go in this trade, you want to make sure that it is during the session. And CHFJPY, you guys see CHFJPY. CHF is London session. JPY is Tokyo session. So Tokyo session is midnight West African time, and CHF is morning, which is the London session. So we want to see the reaction of this market in this zone. That will now determine what we're going to be doing for this trade. Now, once that happens, then we will now come to 30 minutes or 1 hour. And we want to also see the market react, which is already giving us that move right now. Then we see the big drop, then the market goes back top, then we'll catch the sell, then it drops. But if we don't get that, we are not licensed to go in. And this is how you are able to reduce, check out this, guys. That's how you are able to reduce a stop loss that is as wide as 159 pips. You're going to be reducing it to about 8 pips to 10 pips, between 5 and 10 pips. And that's what we're going to be looking at when such scenario happens. Remember, I told you guys when it came in here, I was going to keep you guys posted, and that is exactly what I'm doing right now. So we're expecting the market to give us some reaction in this supply zone. Now, if it gives us that reaction on 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 15 minutes, then we can now use that to reduce our entry. So you can see that we now have a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, which I see this will give us a higher high. Then this becomes a stop loss hunt. Then we'll have something like this. Then the market drops sharp. And when it drops sharp, then we will take on that reversal for a sell. So I'm expecting this. This is what makes the difference between those who are making money and those who are donating to the market. You trade what you see, not what you want. What I see right now, what I want, I want to sell. But what I see right now is that the market is not ready for the sell that you and I are both expecting. So what do you want to do? You want the market to come to you. And to come to you means that you want the market to come up either deeper into this zone, then you have a big drop, then you see the reaction, then you sell. So if you don't see that reaction, you don't want to put your money in. And this is how we catch 1 to 500, 1 to 100, 1 to 200 risk reward. We're still holding GBP, JPY, Euro JPY. It gave us a deep retracement, and now it's back up to about 400 pips back. And we're expecting close to 2,800 pips. Now, why? Because JPY is extremely weak. So the only reason why we are looking at selling CHFJPY is that CHF has the potential to be weak. And if it is very weak, it's going to make JPY to drive it down. So stay tuned for this. Put this on your checklist. Make sure you are looking for an amazing sell opportunity. And if you're not on the Discord group, make sure you sign up for the Discord group and you're good to go. Okay, I'm super excited. And as usual, I always let you know that we've put together, if you have not attended the psychology of trading class, you are missing out. Psychology of trading is what I have learned and what has made my trading very, very simple. Okay, so you want to attend this. I'm going to drop the link in this video, in the description below, so that you can subscribe and go through this free email course. You get this email immediate 7 days, 24 hours after you sign up. You'll get a mail for the next 7 days that will enhance you to be able to understand how powerful psychology is in your trading journey. Okay, guys, super excited. I'm sure you guys gained some value. If you want me to analyze any chart, drop it below, and I'm going to give you the monthly, the long-term analysis, what I'm going to be doing in that, and I'm going to be catching the move And that is how we rock and roll it. Thank you so much for joining. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. And I'm really excited. In the month of May, we have a major announcement that will be going out for the cryptocurrency followers. We're going to be digging. Guys, to your success. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have an amazing evening. Peace out, guys. Peace.